Hi friends, welcome back to Code with Vanga channel. In this today tutorial, we are going to learn about what is user input in C Sharp, what is output in C Sharp. So friends, this is a continuous series of C Sharp. So I have created a console project in the previous video. So I am going to use the same project in this. So now we are going to code. Now I have opened. So this project has been created in the previous class. So now I'm going to remove these two things. So first we'll go with what is output. What is output? What is output? So when we write console.write line, and I'm going to use hello world, and next I'm going to use to see the output in the console window. I'm going to use console.read key. So I'm going to closing with semicolon. Now see this hello world will get print on console. So console.writeLine always called as a output. Now we'll run this one. So I'm going to click on start. So this has been printed. Now either we can use console dot write or write line, both as of your choice. But for write line it will create a new line. For write it will add the line to the next to the line. So for example, code with code with Vanga. Okay. Again I'm going to use console dot write. Now I'm using channel. Now we'll see the difference between. Again I'm going to use here I'm going to use that console dot write line. In this I'm going to use this is a this is a C sharp tutorial. Okay. Now we'll see the difference between console.writeLine and console.write in console window. Look at here. For console.writeLine always creates a new line. First line is hello world and the next one is this is a C sharp tutorial. But when it comes to console.write, write, it has been printed code with Vanga and the next line it has been added with a channel. Look at here channel. So I'm going to give a small break over here. Okay, now I'm going to click on the project once again. I'm going to start that. Now let's look at here console.writeLine. It will always give a new line, and when it comes to console.write it will add the next to the line, say code with Vanga and dash dash and channel. Now we, so far we have seen what is output. Now we will work on what is what is input. So for input we have to use console.readline. For that I am going to store the name here console.readline. It will holds the value. In the emo line, I'm going to save that. So I'm going to print that console.writeLine. I'm going to save using what is your name. And always remember that C sharp code ends with semicolon. Now I'm going to use to print that whatever the user will give the input. I'm going to display console.write line write 10. I'm using a string interpolation. So your name is, I'm going to use curly braces. So whatever the value holds here, I will print over here. Now I'm going to run the project. See, what is your name? I'm going to type Vedant Krishna. So once I press enter, so look at here. Your name is Vedant Krishna because here client is giving their input and we are reading that. So this is all about what is output and what is input in C sharp. Thank you. If you like my video, please share it with your friends.